Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix mango peach, semi-gloss latex paint for interior concrete wall. Mango peach is somewhat comforting. It also gives a sense of joy, though not quite as exuberantly as orange does. Soft shades of peach can work well for the living room, especially for the walls when paired with matching accent colors like gray and green. Okay, let's start. Our client order: 1 liter mango peach, semi-gloss latex paint for concrete walls. First, let's add gloss latex hands a yellow dot to a 60% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's drop a little acrylic color urethane red. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. Let's add more acrylic color, urethane red. The client sample. It's almost the same. Let's add a little more yellow and red. Let's compare once more. We just have to drop more acrylic color red. Let's also add more semi-gloss white. It's the same already. Mixing accomplished. Thank you to our subscribers for always supporting our videos. Just click the notification bell to keep updated on our next paint mixing tutorial videos. God bless.